Hello guys, my name is Satyendra Punya and you are know me exactly that who I am and what kind of teaching I am teach you. Look guys, content creation journey is the most fantastic journey in right now in 2026. After corona there are many content creator. I know where the content creator start. It start from 2012. As you can see that Mr. Beast, now he is building over 10,000 crore empire. Okay, and many content creator, not a Mr. Beast, he is a global star, but many content creator even in India, making over 200 crore just from content creator. Look guys, I'm not telling you just start content creation for money, for name, fame, but I just really want that you just connect to the world. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, I'm preferring you that you really should make a content creating, because I am really seeing this is the future. This is the future of world. Future of world. This is content creation, and if you look, if you will not adopt the time, then time will left you. Okay, this is the fact, guys. This is the truth, and you can't deny it. If you can't walk with time, then time gonna automatically leave you. And in this world, who's caring who's? Okay, no one is caring no one. Okay, so you really have to forget everything and just start your content creation journey. And today's my topic is why dream is important. Look, guys, it's very important that you are seeing dream. Very important, because dream will define you, dream will make your aura, dream will create you. And look, it's not about that you just should dream and you are not taking any action. No, it won't work like that. You really have to take action. Okay, you have to really take action and move forward. That's why then your dream will become to reality. So always just watch dream, and I'm just hoping that every dream you are seeing is successful. But seeing dream is not important, you have to take action also. Look guys, without dream it's like a fish without water. Fish without water, there is no life. There is no meaning of life if you are not watching dream, if you are not fulfilling it with no. Guys, still I really don't understand when I see the people how they time over whole day. I really don't know. I really don't know. Even a shopkeeper, if are not enjoying their job, then what is the point left? Okay, if a food seller, if anyone are not loving his job, then what is the point left? Then why he should do it? He should left it. Okay, so that's why I am telling you dream is very important, guys, because dream. Look guys, in this world everyone will suffering. Okay, you always gonna feel pain, bad days, everything. All the people same kind of that, they will cry in their life, they will sad in their life. This is the thing, every people in life same. But most important the thing is that you just live your life or you are just passing your life. This is the main question. Otherwise, anyone will suffer, anyone will get through the pain, anyone will someday weeping out, crying. Okay, this is the thing. Everyone is happening. You have to watch if you really can understand the movie of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. What kind of masterpiece that film is. So that's why I'm telling you, just watch the dream. Otherwise, no point will left in this. And look, guys, if you will not watch the dream, then you will never check the reality check. Okay, you will never see the reality check. Never ever see that. Then I mean your, I mean look, why I'm telling you, because dream will create your aura, dream will define yourself, dream will make yourself, and I mean your, I mean behavior, human behavior, your psychology, all gonna be change, all gonna be change. You will be become a magical man, you will become a magical man. Everyone want to friendship with you, everyone want to friend with you, everyone want to talk with you, everyone want to, I mean just loving what you are doing, what you are eating, what you are which car you have, which bungalow you have. I mean this will create your life to the next level. Otherwise, I'm telling you again, this everyone is suffering. Okay, even everyone has their own kind of suffer, but 4 or 5 things you really should have to check yourself, and this is the thing only a dreamer can see. Okay, only a dreamer can see, because one point in your life will come that you won't judge that what is the dream, what is the reality. This is the magic of life. This is the taste of life. This is the joy of life. And look, enjoy your journey. Enjoy your journey. Bhuvan Bam. I mean, what kind of, I mean, there are 1,000 of example I can give you. 1,000. Tanmay Bhatt, AIB, that. Many. I mean, Dhruv Rathi. Didn't know, but many example I can give you. Many example I can give you. So just enjoy the journey. Okay, enjoy the journey. Don't live like that old ship you are. And look, guys, doesn't care. Don't care what people are thinking about you, what people are saying about you. Don't care. It's just a bullshit. Truly bullshit. What people are thinking about you, what people are saying about you, is totally bullshit. No, because they don't have anything. They don't have anything. They only have that what you are doing. And look, it is very good sign. If everyone talking about you, good criticism, bad criticism, it's very good. It's very fortune. It is a sign that now you are a star, superstar, celebrity. Okay? So, live your life this. And look, guys, never ever demotivated. Sorry, I used a wrong word. That only Nepo kids, I mean, Ananya Pandey, Janvi Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, Arjun Kapoor, and these all recommendation, Jacqueline Fernandez. I mean, this kind of people will get a success. No. Don't think, guys, don't think like this. I mean, I know there are 10 or 15 years. I mean, after 2010, I know our Hindi movie industry. I mean, I really can't describe it, what kind of trash they are making. But don't think that only Nepo kids will success. No. Your talent gonna speak. Thousands of example who doesn't have any background, who doesn't have any father figure, who doesn't have any rich man, but they are success, truly higher success. Even a comedian like Kapil Krishna, I mean Sudesh, I mean these Bharth, what kind of background they have? What kind of background? See this. So don't think that only rich kid will become too rich. No. Your talent wanna speak. Truly. That's why I'm telling you. You really should dream, and dream is very important. So thank you very much. I am hoping that you are learning and improving your skill, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you.